friends, I am working on day 5 of the Christy's Beautiful Life Sketch Challenge. Sketches, 30 days of sketches. And this is day 5 right here. And I'll go ahead and include it right here when I am crafting. And I am working through my Scrapathon 5 kits I put together for the paper pad series. And this is kit number 19 that I'm using. And I have all these fun pineapples and happy words that say bonjour, merci, amour, all that kind of stuff. A little bit of navy paper. A lot of these embellishments in here look like they're Dear Lizzy. I do have a nice little amount of aqua. Oh, that says nope. Let's see if we can fit all that in. Those are puffy things. Got some fun little die cuts. And yeah, all kinds of really big fun pieces. Like, look at that giraffe. It is hilarious. Okay, the photo I have, or the 2 photos I have right here are my youngest daughter. She was in Jamaica on an excursion. So yes, the beach of Jamaica. You saw my sketch. This is my kit, and we're just gonna get right to it. Alrighty, so my photo, I'm going to go ahead and mat it. I believe I'm matting it on this navy blue color. And it's one of those pieces that I have. It's included in the kit, and I think these are Dear Lizzy papers as well. So it's, of course, going to go together. Now, you know, I pulled paper from a bunch of different paper pads, 9 total, I think. So, you know, I'm not spot on about all of them. So I have the navy paper pad with those wonky lines, and then I have this print paper that says like merci and amour and all kinds of things like that, but they're written in kind of a whimsical font, so it's very cute. And yeah, you see these are the beautiful and inspiring photos I get from my daughter of her eating a quesadilla on a beach somewhere. I'm assuming it was fun though. And this is one of their excursions. They went to both the Cayman Islands and Jamaica for their excursions. So this is where I'm just going ahead and auditioning, putting all of these pieces and seeing what I might want where. And for the most part, I do a really central design. So I have a ton of my pieces that I have auditioned in different places, and I'm liking the way this looked. So I went ahead and just picked up one part of my photo and attached it down, and now I'm going to start kind of tucking and placing all of these other little bits that you see here. I like those frames. I like that pop of lime green, the nice aqua, the little beach tote bag that I have on the left of the photo. I have to have the giraffe on there because I find him to be absolutely hilarious. So that's the whole purpose of that being on there, is he's funny and he's just kind of staring. And all right, we'll just act like my daughter having sunglasses has anything to do with it. I will use that giant like love mandala looking piece there on top of my photo. I really liked it, and I have a beach throw that's kind of like that, and it reminded me of it, so I thought we'd go with it. And yeah, the rest of, or not the rest, a large portion of this is going to be me just tucking and placing, and I'll pop up a couple things on Fun Pump. That's that little tote that looked like a nice beach tote to me, and it's bringing in that really nice aqua tone or turquoise, depends on what you want to think. Popping my little giraffe friend up on some fun foam and putting that to the left of the photo. Look at how awesome that is. Like, who does not need a giraffe wearing glasses in their life? So I have all of those pieces attached, including that really cool little patch of that drinking cup with a little lime in it, which is serendipitous, as my daughter has a lime in her smoothie drink thingy she has there. Now, these little glittery alphas, they are, I know they're a Heidi Swap alpha. I've had them since the dawn of time, and I've used most of the gold ones from that collection. Sorry, microwave's beeping. All right, and I just tucked in the heart behind the giraffe. It is like a craft and gold heart I tucked back there, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of, I guess, journaling work with these outfits. Also gone ahead and put that little beach fun flare, it's an acrylic flare, to the top left of my photo. I did 2020 in those same alphas. And I told you before she was in the Bahamas. I checked with her and she was in the Cayman Islands. So we had to switch that out right quick. So at this point, I mean, seriously, my layout is for the most part done. And this one came together so quickly because the sketch was super inspiring, but pretty much it's a fun central design. And she's, you know, in a beach situation and you get to use all those fun, cute things. I just used that puffy pineapple with its yellow and orange. And I figured that kind of worked for this. And now I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of Vicky Bouton on here. All right, so here's my little mixed media box, and I'm going to use my Jen Hadfield Gold Mist to just give me a little bit more sparkly dots here and there, all my little splatty bits. And really, this was like the fastest, easiest layout to put together. And I think it's fun, and I still think it tells the story of a fun beach day. So thanks so much for watching, friends, and I'll be back ever so soon with another layout.